Question number 11. Which expression is equivalent to, in first parenthesis, it's m to the power 4, q to the power 4, z to the power -1, and in second parenthesis, m, q to the power 5, z to the power 3. Okay. See, before solving this question, let's see one property. I have to multiply these three numbers, right? Now I put this in parenthesis. That means I have to multiply it first. 4 3s are 12 times 2, 24. Now let's put 3 times 2 in parenthesis and do 4 times 3 2s are 6, again 24. Or even if you change the order, like 3 times 4 times 2, I'm only changing the order, not the numbers, and multiply it. So 4 3s are 12 times 2, again 24. So that property is known as property of commutativity. It's commutativity, like even if you change the order, answer does not change. So we can say multiplication is commutative. Like we can make any order out of it. Property number 1. Property number 2 is like if you have same basis, for example, m to the power a times m to the power b. So I can call it as m to the power a plus b. They are equal. That is the property of exponents. So by using these two properties, let's use the commutative property first. Let's combine the same basis, like m with m, q with q, and z with z. So that is m to the power 4 times m. I will not change the power, I will not change the basis. I'm just, changing the order of all of these, and that is q to the power 4 times q to the power 5. In third parenthesis, it's c to the power -1 times c to the power 3. So now I have arranged with same basis. Okay. Now we will apply this property. When bases are same, powers are added. Here when no power is written, that means it is power 1. So this is m to the power 4 plus 1, or m to the power 5. Power of 5 is m is solved. Second is times q to the power 4 plus 5, q to the power 9, and third one is z to the power -1 plus 3, c to the power 2. So m to the power 5, q to the power 9, c to the power 2. Okay, this is the one.